want to buy a house, but how much do I actually need? So, Lauren, I've been thinking about buying a house, and I'm just a lot of questions.
Perfect.
This is Brandon Fox, Lauren Go with the Fox Real Estate Group. Follow us, like us, subscribe. We've got a lot of the hot buyer questions that we're going to go through today that we hear on a daily basis.
Yep, we're going to rapid fire through them, no fluff.
Yep, no fluff. We're
Real answers.
straight to it. So we're going to get going. I'm going to be the buyer asking the questions. Lauren, you're going to give me all the
good information.
All the good info. All right, let's go. So let's start it off. So I want to buy a house. But how much do I actually need? How much money do I actually need to buy a house?
Yeah, that's a great question. I think a lot of people assume they need more than what they actually do. But with the programs out there like the FHA loan, the down payment assistance programs, we're seeing buyers go in with as little as 3.5%, and sometimes even less if we're able to get the seller to pay for some closing costs, things like that.
Cool. Let's be real. When I was younger,
that was a long time ago.
I wasn't the most responsible with my credit. I think I built it back up, but it's not perfect. What does my credit need to look like to get a house?
Yeah, there's some different programs out there that will help you with that. It's a really good opportunity to talk to a lender. Every situation and every buyer is very different. And so it's really helpful to have just a conversation with someone to actually see what that affordability is. And people think their credit needs to be this, perfect number. It really doesn't. It's just a real conversation.
So if we do move forward and we go through this process, what's my monthly payment actually going to look like on a home?
Yeah, that's a big question, and one we hear a lot. Again, kind of one of those things where people think it's going to be way higher than it actually is. In a standard home right now in this market, in this area, we're seeing people get into homes for a monthly payment between $2,500 to $3,000. It's definitely a situation type of scenario, but that's kind of where we're seeing the average right now.
Seems doable.